Hello my lovelies, hello my darlings. Right, so we've left Wales now and currently at the River Severn, just over the crossing on the south side or the east side. Um, yeah, so we're heading southeast basically slowly, and I'm going to go and see my kids and my grandkids, and then head over to Kent, meet up with Emma, and then we're going to head down to Cornwall in convoy, and spend a week or so there. Um, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Be nice to hear from you. And I'll catch up with you soon, my lovelies. Catch up with you soon, my darlings. Love and light. Bye bye for now. Bye.